Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you just received your Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 and are ready to start organizing schedules, reminders, and family activities, setting it up correctly is the first step toward getting the most out of the device. The Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 is designed to keep everyone connected and informed, but a proper initial setup ensures smooth syncing and reliable performance. Fortunately, the process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Whether you're using it for household planning or personal organization, getting everything configured correctly from the beginning can make a big difference. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy steps to help you set up your Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 successfully. Try these. Step 1. Place the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 inches your preferred location and connect it to its power adapter. Step 2. Turn on the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 and connect it to a stable Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Sign in or create the account required for the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2. Step 4. Add the calendar services you want the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 to synchronize with. Step 5. Customize the display preferences and family settings available on the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2. Step 6. Verify that the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 is displaying events and updating information correctly.